Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Students, I am Kushpreet, your class teacher. As you know, we are doing the theme that is safety, and our today's topic is revision of transport. As you know, we have already done this topic, and today we are going to revise this topic. Okay, now we shall start. Transport means movement of goods, humans from one location to another location in order to develop the trade between the countries. Transport includes air transport, land transport, water transport. Land transport includes bus, car, motorcycle, and air transport includes aeroplane, helicopter, etc. And water transport includes boats, ships, so on. These are the modes of transport. Okay. Now, after this, we are going to make a toy plane with the help of ice cream sticks, glue, and craft paper. Okay. Firstly, take ice cream sticks and glue and fix the ice cream like this, as you see in this picture. Firstly, you fix the ice cream sticks, and after that with the help of glue, and after that with the help of craft paper or craft material, you can decorate your plane. Okay, this is your plane, and this is your plane with craft material. You can also decorate your aeroplane like this. Okay, after doing this, now we are going I am going to recite a rhyme, that is 1 2 buckle my shoe. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 knock at the door. 5 6 pick up sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. Now again. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 knock at the door. 5 6 pick up sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. After reciting this rhyme, now students, today we learn the counting from 1 to 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10 1 1 11 1 2 12 1 3 13 1 4 14, and last one is 1 5 15. Students, you learn this counting from 1 to 15, and you also write on your notebooks. After this, open your workbook. I Can Oodles workbook. Open page number 68. In this page, you see the numbers 11 to 15. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15. Okay. Firstly, students, you trace these numbers, and after that write these numbers without tracing, and open your page number 69 of your same workbook. In this page, you see again numbers 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, and 1 5 15. In this page, you also firstly trace these number, and after that write these numbers without tracing. Okay, now open your I Can Explorer book number 4. and open page number 73. This page you see counting. Count these things, match them with the correct number. You see on the left side some things. Okay, firstly, one by one, count these things, and after that, if for example, uh, on the left side, first objects are in number 14, then you match this with the number 14, and the next object is number 13, and you match number 13 with this, and in the last, sorry, second one is of number 15, you match this with the number 15, and the last one, this is in the number 13, this is number 13, and you match with number 13. After doing this page, now we are going to draw a vehicle. Students, you can draw any vehicle of your choice. Okay, firstly take a sheet of paper and pencil. With the help of pencil, you can draw any vehicle. Like I show you the picture of a car. Firstly, make a picture of car on a sheet, and after that color the vehicle that you have made. Okay, firstly you draw the vehicle, and after that color that vehicle. Okay students, your homework is to do page number 68 and 69 of your workbook, and page number 73 of your book number 4, I can book number 4. And students, you also try to make the toy plane and decorate that toy plane with the craft material. Okay student, stay connected with your teachers, stay connected with your school, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, have a bright day.